we advise publishers to start building structure that is machine readable content. And what that means in like in an easy way to understand is like for a long time we've been like making content for humans, which makes sense. We're in online publishing, we create good articles, we have beautiful websites, and we optimize for every pixel, where to put this ad, where to put this article, and so on, right? And we're really good at that. But the thing is that it's not really human necessarily reading it anymore. It is AI robots. So you need to start optimizing your content to be for AI robots, for humans and for AI robots. And AI robots lack structured data. So you can kind of picture like you are a robot and you're looking from behind. You're like, what am I looking at? What sort of content is that? And the structured data is exactly that. You can use the schema.org and go hand in hand with the JSON LD or link data to show the computer exactly what it is that your article is about.